Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Apple Business Manager device assignments, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Apple Business Manager account using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section in the main menu. Locate the device you wish to unassign from Apple Business Manager. You can filter the list by device type, status, or platform to make the search easier. Click on the device to open its details. In the device details, find the Actions menu on the right side of the screen. From the Actions menu, select Remove Device Assignment. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the prompt carefully to understand the implications of removing the device assignment. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Remove to confirm. The device will now be unassigned from your Apple Business Manager account. You will receive a notification confirming the successful removal. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, the device will need to be re-enrolled separately. Once completed, verify that the device is no longer listed under your assignments in the Devices section. You have successfully disabled the device assignment in Apple Business Manager. If you encounter any issues, ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.